Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Yusuf Aliyu Haider. I'm your data analysis coach, and I'm here to show you an example of what we are going to be building in the Business Excel Systems Bootcamp, the BESB program we are going to run. So, like I said, it's a program where we are going to create solutions. Now, one of the solutions we are going to create is a stock management system using Excel. Now, this is an example of something that we created in Excel, but works online because was uploaded into Google Sheets through my email. So, what do we have here? This is a business management system actually, but this is a sample of it. So what does it do? We have different segments of the business management system, which I will explain as we go. So first of all, if you're creating a business management system, you have to create where your inventory is. Right here, we call the inventory as stock entry, meaning I sell things. For example, if you want to start selling things, you'll be saying, I open a shop and I want to be selling so, so, and so, and so, and so. So this is where you put what you're going to sell. And if you're going to sell, you give it an ID. Now, we're already given an idea of Milo to product number one, product number two is Peak, product number three is Creed Adventures. So we can add another product. Let's say we add another product called product number four, and we call it what? We can call it what? Let's call it Indomie. Indomie. Now it's under foods. It's under what? Foods. The category, and then it comes in a carton. Now, all you see, if you see, I have drop downs, I have all these things are what we are going to learn in this class. Now, it comes in package. How do you, Indomie comes? It comes in a package of, I think, 24, I'm not sure. This is an example. So you see, what I've done here, I've said my inventory, if I have a shop, I'm selling these things. Now, if I'm selling these things, that is good, fine. You're selling these things. Okay, so now, even though I'm selling them, I have to go and buy them to sell them, right? So that means I need to make a stock replenishment where I restock my goods. So here I'll always come and write what I restock. Remember, I just created a product called Indomie that I gave it a product number 4. If you notice, it comes in 24, but I have not bought any of my Indomie that I want to be selling in my shop. So here my stock replenishment is where, let's say I go to the shop. The moment I come back, I'll come and record what I have bought and keep so that I keep count of what I have bought. So I bought product number 4. The moment I click PN4, you see it will write foods Indomie, the date that I bought it. Now, how many cartons did I buy? I bought 7 cartons. At what? At 12,000. You'll see that everything will be calculated. That means I spent 84,000 and it is all adding up to everything I've spent in my shop so far. Did I pay completely? Yes, I paid. So I'm not owing the vendor. So if I buy something and I finish buying it, you see it has given me everything. It has calculated the whole total for me, the subtotal, and it has done the grand total for me to know how much I've spent in the things I'm going to be selling in my shop. I need to come and make the pricing. Now, I said I bought it for 12,000 here. That's why we have a price log. You see, automatically it came out, okay, you've added a new product to your inventory. You went to the shop, you bought it at 12,000, meaning each one Indomie you'll be selling it for 500. But how much you bought it? If you bought it for 12,000, that means each cost you 500. But how much are you going to sell it yourself? Let's say I'm going to sell it for 14,000. Or let's say 15,000. 10,000. So that means a piece I'm going to sell my own for 625 naira, each of my Indomie. Because me now I'll be selling it for 15,000 because this is what I bought it for. And automatically it has already given me the pricing. So you see, it is automatically making things easy for you to do. Now immediately Okay, we've added a product that we are selling in our shop. We've bought the product and it's here and it's counting. And then now we are selling the product here. Before I sell, and now we have put the price. Now, before I sell, I want to come here because I said it's 24. This is called item list. I just bought Indomie. I have 7 cartons, but I have 168 pieces of those Indomie. So if I come to sales entry now, let's say now I have it and I have someone that stays in my shop and someone just came in and bought Indomie. The moment they click product ID 4, it will write the date, Indomie, and everything. Now it says 15,000, but let's say those people are not buying complete, they are buying pieces. The moment I change it to pieces, you see it will write 625. And let's say that person just buys 10 pieces. You see, it will automatically calculate. Are you seeing? It calculated everything for me here. 6,215 naira. Now, if they paid completely or they paid credit, you can all write it down. So the moment they pay, this has entered now. Now, if you come, remember we had 68 before, 168. Now, when we check items list, you see it has reduced to 158 in pieces because we've sold it in pieces. And then let's say you are not around, but you have somebody in your shop. You are in Enugu or somewhere because we uploaded these things on your email. You can enter your email and enter a Google Sheet and you'll be able to see all that are sold. See, we just made this sales Indomie 10 pieces. How much? 215 naira. The person paid on the date of Tuesday and the week 4 April, second quarter 2026. You see all these details are there. How much it actually cost you, 5,000. Everything is already there. So like I was saying, so that's how the sales record works. What about master report? It shows you how much you've made in sales and how much profit you've made. We've made in sales, we've made 255,368, but in profit we make 63,114. Now you see, everything is going to be calculated automatically. If you check, you'll notice that we have formulas. All we used are formulas. You see, formulas left, right, and center. If you see here, it's all showing formulas. If you come here, it's all showing formulas. All these here are formulas. So that's why it's very important that we understand what you are going to learn if you register for this program that we're going to do. You see, it's showing you everything that was done and easily you can use it from your phone. And we did this using Excel. It shows you the people that owe you money, how many times they have made the repayment, what is their balance, if they don't have any balance. So because if you forget, some people that have business also forget about people that owe them money or people they owe money. You see, we all have that here. Now, this is an example of what you will learn to do if you register for this wonderful program we're going to learn. Remember, at the end of the program, you're going to go away with your own systems. One, if you cannot even build it completely, we will build it for you so you can also sell it. And two, you can edit it. At least if you cannot make it, you can edit it. So we'll be waiting for you. Thank you very much.